Hey Day Now fam, welcome back to another video.
Vlogtober, day 3.
Today, Davonte is going to be doing my makeup Halloween style.
I'm the world's best makeup artist, so I thought y'all knew. Okay, so we got everything set up for me to do my magic.
What we're working with, fake blood, my clown paint, gave him my eyeshadow palette and sponge if he wants to use that. Eyeshadow and brushes he can use as paintbrushes and red lipstick as well.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the first layer, you know what I'm saying? You know, what's the first thing that ladies usually put down first? Is it called nude?
No, first you put primer, then you put either your concealer or foundation.
I'm about to just go ahead and start on my first layer right here. Okay, it's going on. I'm about to just go ahead and just lay this down for her right now.
Come on, you gotta be the best makeup artist and just do it.
Oh yeah, don't worry, I'm getting to it.
You're so rough. You're like grabbing my head.
I'm gonna make you look like something.
The vibe you're going for. Clown, skeleton.
I know one of our favorite shows is Vampire Diaries, so they're going ahead. Have you ever got your makeup done in Hollywood?
Probably weird.
That's how they do it in Hollywood. So I got done with the first layer. You can see she's a little pale. Okay, so right now I'm about to go ahead and try to sharpen those edges up. I'm using the Morphe. I'm using like a purple eyeshadow. And go look this way. There you go. And I just want to just go ahead and just. Ooh, a lot came off. I know it's gonna be that much. Fade that out in there. Fade that in there. I know it looks crazy. Let me just rub it in. Can I use this? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Talk to me. Right now, I just went on ahead and just popped that out a little bit.
It looks good so far. It looks scary.
Okay, so bear with me, everybody. I'm gonna work my way around her eyes first. Yeah, I never asked you. What's your favorite scary movie or Final Destination?
Still till this day, I'll be in certain situations and I'll think of like, what if something like Final Destination happened?
Like that sauna?
Yeah, like you're in a tanning bed or you're like at a carnival and the ride breaks or something. Davonte is actually very artistic.
Oh yeah. I was going for some like my little vein to it. Right?
It looks good so far.
Right now, I'm about to go ahead and start off the eyebrow section for right now. We just gotta just get this right now.
Have you ever been to any haunted houses before?
Been to a few haunted houses, I say.
Where we live, there's supposed to be, it's like a haunted motel, but they turn it into like a haunted house for Halloween. But in real life, it's supposed to be haunted.
Have you ever seen a ghost before?
I've encountered like an experience before. I was in like 5th grade and me and my friend were at her house. We had like the Jack and Jill type bathroom. Everyone left and it was just me and her. Out of nowhere, both doors slammed and I literally physically saw the doorknob twist like back and forth. It was really creepy. I was always deathly afraid of clowns as well. I always used to have scary dreams and I'd make my dad come sleep with me at night. Oh my gosh. I look like Batman. Add more eyeshadow on top of my eyes.
You know what I'm saying? How does everything look so far?
Looking spooky.
Looking spooky? They hit her with the lipstick right now. Lipstick hard to put on?
You did it all over my tooth.
Sorry.
You guys, he pushed my lipstick so hard that the thing snapped in half.
You look crazy too.
Oh my gosh, my looks like. Have you guys ever seen the show Botched? This is what I look like right now.
Let me just hook you up. Ooh. Yeah, I'm giving her those teeth bite marks right there. You know what I'm saying? Cause she just got bit. Let me see. Yeah.
The finished product.
The finished product. You see the bite marks?
I guess the lips look better with the fake blood right there.
I know. The only thing that she need right now.
Too bad it wasn't Halloween.
Some vampire teeth.
So I could go out like this.
I don't know, the lips remind me of the Joker. Just the finished product right there. Let me know how I did in the comment section right there.
If you guys want to see me do Davonte's Halloween makeup, drop a comment down below. Always remember,
keep it on the DL.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back tomorrow, Vlogtober Day 4.
October Day 4 coming tomorrow.